Hello, student. How are you all? Good morning, students. So, have you taken your breakfast? Healthy breakfast, na Suman? You have not taken Maggie, right? Yes. So, very good morning, Swati. Good morning. Yes. So, you all are very energetic. It's looking like. So, do tell me that what we have studied in earlier classes. Yes. What we have studied? Yes, Neha, right. We have studied about deforestation. Yes. And then, yes, causes Suman. Okay. How we can conserve forest and wildlife. That's good. So, you only tell that how we can conserve forest and wildlife. Yes. Good. By me, because government have laid so many things, so many sanctuaries are there, wildlife sanctuaries there, national park is there. Yes. Good. Very good. Biosphere reserve is there. Yes, Bittu. Good. Yes. So why we are basically we have made, or government have made wildlife sanctuary or biosphere reserve, national park. What is the main reason? Yes, Praful will tell. Good. Yes, to protect flora and fauna, right? Yes, to protect animals and plants. To protect plants and animals, right? Yes. Good. Now tell me, what is this? What you are can see in this image? In this image, yes. Yes. Good. Plant. That means flower. Yes. This one. Animal. I mean to say bird. Yes. Yes. So students, now tell me, the place where we are living is called, the place we human beings basically are living are called home. Yes, could be to home, house. That are called these in these terms we are calling it like home house, right? Yes. So like the same way, where birds and animals live, the place of that animal and plants live. Yes, what we are calling, what the term? Yes. Good, Swati. That is flora and fauna. Yes, Suman. Flora and fauna. Yes. So today we are going to study about flora and fauna only in this topic. Okay? Yeah. So now observe this image. This is a tree. Okay. Plant. This is tiger. Yes. This is dog. This is deer. Yes. So all these are strings. What are these images? Indicates. Yes. These all images indicates that, yes, Praful, that these are flora and fauna, right? Yes. So students, animals are comfortable and happy in their own habitat. Like we are happy in our house, the same way animals are also happy, comfortable. Plants are also comfortable in their own way, in their own home. Yes, we should not disturb them, right? Yes. So that some animals and plants typically belong to a particular area, right? So the plants and animals found in a particular area are termed as flora and fauna respectively in that area. The plants that found in a particular area are called as flora, and animals that found in a particular animals are called as the fauna, right? Yes. Understood? Good. Now answer this. The plants found in a particular area are termed as, yes, Flora. Okay, yes, Bittu, your answer. Praful. Suman. Bittu. Hormone. Yes, all you are correct. The plants found in a particular area are termed as flora. Now, you have to give examples of fauna. Yes, one example from each students I want. Yes, Sneha, deer. All right. Swati, bear. Very good. Suman, rhinoceros. Good. Bittu, elephant. Okay. Praful, monkey. Good. Samir, lion, tiger. Very good. Yes. Now please observe this image, students. What you are observing? Which kind of animal is this? Yes. Come on. Langur. Yes. This is what, students? Frog, green frog, right? What is this? Yes. This is a kind of a bird, no? Yes. This one? Ool, right? Yes. So, students, nowadays, have you ever observed this? Have you ever read a newspaper that we are seeing there are so many animals. There are other animals also, but for now, you can see that this animals we rarely find, right? Yes, Swati, have you seen in anywhere place? Yes. Okay, fine. So you have seen in national park or wildlife sanctuary. Okay, yes, yeah. You have told me that you have visited wildlife sanctuary and national park. Okay. Other than Swati, who have seen all these? Yes, you must have seen Discovery Channel. Yeah. Okay. Yes, Suman. Have you seen this? Okay, you have seen this in Puri. Yeah, but that I don't think so, Suman, that this is I think this is langur, so this will not find in Puri. I think also this is the variety of or same variety or same type. Yeah, you have seen in Puri also, Nina. I have also visited in Puri. Yes. And what about this? Have you ever seen this? Yes. I have not seen, students. No, I have not seen. Yes, Bittu, have you ever seen? No. Yes. I have also not seen. No, not. And I have seen this, student. You know, when I was in the 6th class, that time, when I'm living in a hostel, at that time this owl has came and just seated in window. Yeah. So there I have seen first time ool. And all the students are now shouting ool, she see ool, and there I have heard, and I have also run to come and see this ool. Yeah, but nowadays we don't easily find, right? Yeah. So let's observe one video and let's explore all these things, right? Why we are not finding these animals nowadays, why it's not like that is it visible, that birds we are seeing, like black birds, that one. So like the same way, why we are not able to see this? Like I have seen in Discovery Channel and newspaper also, I have read it about that, students, that we are really find all these animals, right? Yes, so please observe this video. Okay.
More than 75 students have secured a rank below AIR 100 in GATE 2022.
Fulfill your dreams of joining a PSU or pursuing MTech from IITs.
So, why wait? Sign up now.
There are some animals in the world that live only in certain territories. For example, the blue-billed curassow and the caqueta titi monkey can only be found in Colombia. On the other end of the continent, the Patagonia frog lives exclusively in southern Argentina. The Peruvian Andes are the only place where the night monkey lives, and the rhinoceros iguana lives only in the Dominican Republic. All of these animals that only live in one specific place are called endemic species. When we talk about an endemic species, or endemism, we are referring to a species whose geographic boundaries are limited. It can be said, for example, that the blue-billed curassow is a bird that is endemic to Colombian humid forests because it has only been identified in that ecosystem. According to Conservation International, there are 17 mega-diverse countries in the world which are home to 70% of all known species. Countries are
Yes. Please explore or whatever you have observed in this video, students. Yes. Yes. Okay. Suman, I have observed that the plants and the animals which live in a particular area. Okay, good. Yes, Swati, what you have observed? Yes, you have observed. Yes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, so you have observed that there are species which are not found or which are found in a particular area are called as the, yes, endemic species, right? Yes. And what Praful have observed? Yes, please share your view. Yes, so you have observed that there are 17 mega diversity in India as recorded by international. Yes, good. Yes. And what Sneha have observed? Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. That's nice. That's nice thing you have observed, that kitty monkey, yeah, that we found in basically in Southern Africa. Yes, yes, Mahmoud, what you have observed? Mm-hmm. Okay. Yes, all very good, students. So basically in this video we have observed, students, that there are species which live, those species of plants and animals that found in a particular area are known as endemic species. Okay, so endemic species are those species of plants and animals which are found exclusively in a particular area. They are not naturally found anywhere else. That is why we are not able to see anywhere else, because they are found, because the animals, the plants live in only in a particular area. Why? What's the reason why they only find a particular area? Yes. Yes, what's the reason? Yes, Bittu, please. Why that species of plant and animal found only in a particular area? Yes, Praful. Akanksha, please. Why, Akanksha, you are so upset today? Be active and just keep smiling, right? You know, smiling always provides you more energetic, provides you more confidence. So keep smiling, okay? Yes, even if you have a doubt, you are not willing to study, then also talk to me. I will give you, I will suggest you, I'm there for you, okay? Yes. So please tell me that why does those species of plants and animals found only in a particular area? What's the reason? Yes. That's great. Yes, because that condition or that climate are suitable for that plant and animals, right? If they will not get that climate, that environment, then they might not be survive. They will die, right? Yes, because if suppose if we take out whale from water and we keep in our soil, then they will not survive. They will die, right? Yes, in the same way, there are some species of plants and animals live in a particular area are known as endemic species, and they are not normally naturally found anywhere else. A particular type of animal or plant may be endemic to a zone or a state or a country. Like in America, we find some animal. In India, we find some animal. In many states of country or a country state, we are getting different kinds of animals, and that kind of one only in that particular animal only, right? Like polar bear, we are getting only in Antarctica. That's right. Yes, same way. Like sal and wild mango as two examples of endemic flora of the Panchmari Biosphere Reserve. In earlier classes, we have read about Panchmari Biosphere Reserve, right? I have shown you video also, remember? Yes. In that, sal and wild mango are the two flora, endemic flora of the Panchmari Biosphere Reserve. Okay. Bison, Indian giant squirrel and flying squirrel are endemic fauna of this area. Panchmari National Park is there, Panchmari Biosphere Reserve is there. In that, sal and wild mango flora and bison, Indian giant squirrel and flying squirrels are the endemic fauna in this area. They are found only in Panchmari Biosphere Reserve only, not in anywhere else. Okay. Yes. Now, do tell me that the destruction of their habitat, increasing population, introduction of new species may affect the natural habitat of the endemic species and endanger their species. Yes, if suppose students in your own house, if someone will get you out from the house, someone will throw you from the house, then you will feel bad, right? Yes. So it's the same way, student. The animals, plants will also feel bad now if we will snatch their house from them. Yes. In the same way, students, the destruction of their habitat, increasing population and introduction of new species may affect the natural habitat of the endemic species and endanger their species is a group of population which are capable of interbreeding, right? If we will enter, if in your own house, if you will enter, if someone enter which you don't know, unknown person, then you will feel so uncomfortable, right? In the same way, if we will introduce any new species for that species, that one the which we will introduce, that will unknown for the new, so that will affect him, and if and that will also control or remove, like they will remove their population as they will not be able to interbreed, right? Yes. So this means that the member of a species can reproduce fertile offspring only with the members of their own, right? Because as we have read in the reproduction chapter, that for reproduction two members are required, right? But they will feel comfortable, or they can, but if we want the same reproduction, then we should reproduce with our own member, with our own similarity. Like I'm a girl, so I can marry with a boy only, right? So the same way, in the same way, the species, suppose a flying squirrels is there, so he should interbreed with the flying squirrel only. If other member of the species, then it cannot be reproduced fertile offspring only with the members of their own species and not with the member of the other species, right? So member of our species have common characteristics. Because they have a common characteristic, so they will get a good and they can easily interbreed, right? Yes. So students, we should try or do not disturb of this endemic species, right? So endemic species are the species in which plants and animals are live in that particular area only. Okay? Yes. Now please answer these, students. Those species of plants and animals exclusively in a particular area are termed as endemic species, exclusive species, particular species, significant species. Yes, those species of plants and animals that are found exclusively in a particular area are termed as endemic species, exclusive species, particular species, significant species. Yes. Yes, quickly respond, student. Samir, Bittu, Praful, Akanksha. These 4 students left. Please respond. Yes. Yes, Neha, why you have clicked in particular species? What's the reason? Do you have any doubt? Then you can come up. Yes. Okay, fine, by mistake. Okay. Yes, Suman, why you have also ticked in exclusive species? Okay, fine, by mistake. Okay. So students, answer is endemic species. Those species of plants and animals that are found exclusively in a particular area are termed as endemic species. Okay? Yes. Now, dash is an endemic flora of the Panchmari Biosphere Reserve. Yes. Dash is an endemic flora of the Panchmari Biosphere Reserve. Come on. Yes, Swati, good. Sal, yes. And one more. Yes. Yes. Come on. Remember. Wild mango. That's good. So, Sal and wild mango is an endemic flora of the Panchmari Biosphere Reserve. Yes. Now, Akanksha will give example where dash is an endemic fauna of the Panchmari Biosphere Reserve. Okay? Yeah. Endemic fauna. Mark this one. Endemic fauna. Yeah. Okay. Yes, flying squirrel is there. Squirrel is there. Good. That's nice. Okay. Now, observe one more video, students.
Hi, I'm Nabamita.
And I'm Abhishek.
We are your master teachers at Vedant.
We are proud to announce yet
What is the difference between a sanctuary reserve? Sanctuaries provide protection and suitable living conditions to wild animals. They are places where poaching or capturing of animals is strictly prohibited. Some of the threatened wild animals like marsh crocodile, python, rhinoceros, etc. are protected and preserved in our wildlife sanctuaries. Indian sanctuaries have unique landscapes ranging from broad level and mountain forests to bushlands in deltas of big rivers. National parks are reserves that are large.
Yes, students. What you have observed in this video? Yes, as student we have already started how the destructions of yes, we have seen that how to conserve plants and animals, how forest, wildlife in the previous classes. So now we are reading about, yes, what you have observed about wildlife sanctuary. Good, Swati. Yes, Praful. Yes, that how we have, how while in with the help of the wildlife sanctuary we have protected wildlife animals. Okay, good. Yes, Bittu. Sneha, Imshika, please share your view now. Don't feel shy, just share, okay? Yes, so basically in this video you have seen that wildlife, that how with the help of the wildlife sanctuary, because the government have laid this project, we have protected our some animals, some wildlife animals, right? Yes, which, yes, good, very good. Yes. Now please observe this image, students. What is this? Yes, this is thorn. Yes, good. This one is golden cat. Okay. This one, rhinoceros. Very good. And this one, python. Yes, good. So students, all these 4 animals are protected by the wildlife sanctuary. In fact, there are many more animals which are protected for the wildlife sanctuary, and thanks to the wildlife sanctuary, so that for our upcoming generations that will also see all the that we have so much all different kinds of animals we have, right? So for that there is a need of protection all these animals. So for that work is done is done by wildlife sanctuary, right? Yes. Now see, now do tell me, name the areas reserved for. Okay, but before that, students, people living in a wildlife sanctuaries are allowed to do certain activities such as grazing by the livestock, collecting medicinal plants, firewood, etc. of the threatened wild animals like black buck, black buck, elephant, golden cat, pink-headed duck, gharial, Mars crocodile, python, rhinoceros, etc. are protected and preserved in our wildlife sanctuaries. Indian sanctuaries have unique landscape, broad level forest, mountain forest, and bushlands in deltas of big, right? It's a pity that even protected forests are not safe because people living in the neighborhood encroach upon them and destroy them. This is so sad, no, students, that government try to protect, but we people not let them to protect. We are going there, the neighborhood people of that wildlife sanctuary, they go there and rush upon them and destroy them. This is very sad, no? They shouldn't do. Yeah. Now answer this. Name the areas reserved for wildlife sanctuaries where they can freely use the habitat and national resources. Yes. Name the areas reserved for wildlife where they can freely use the habitats and natural resources. National parks, sanctuary, oceans, homes. Yes. Very good. Quickly responded. Very nice. Sanctuary. That's good. Now, the killing of animals illegally is referred to as poaching. True or false? Yes? Yes, class? True. Very good. The killing of animals illegally is referred to as poaching. Good. Now let's end this class. So today I have defined you about flora and fauna. We have learned that importance of flora and fauna, and also we have learned that how to conserve flora and fauna. We have seen one video. Yes. Then we have discussed about endemic species. Yes, and about the action of wildlife sanctuary, but how we have protected it. Now please answer this. Which of the following activities are prohibited in wildlife sanctuary? Poaching, hunting, felling trees, all of these. Yes. Quickly. Good. All of these. Very good. Now, the animal found in a particular area are termed as flora, fauna, dogs, human. Yes? Animal, okay? Fauna. Very nice. Now, it's your homework. Define endemic species, explain briefly. Then explain about flora and fauna with the help of example. Now, activity time. Study the wildlife sanctuary with the help of magazines or YouTube videos and prepare a detailed report with photographs and sketches of the flora and fauna. So this is your activity. I will check your homework in the next class. So be prepared. Okay, I have been giving you for 1 week for this activity. You can do, okay, easily. Yeah. So have a very good great students. Till then we will meet in the next class. Yes, we will meet in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Bye. Enjoy, okay?